So we just learned what volume limit was on the Avea while we are in pressure control. So if we look right next to that volume limit, we have what is called machine volume. So we know volume limit puts a cap at how much volume we can get when we are in a pressure controlled mode. So what happens when we turn machine volume on? Well, machine volume essentially puts a lower limit on how little tidal volume we can get. So the ventilator changes the flow pattern in order to get the tidal volume we specify. So let's go ahead and right now we're getting about 950, 960 mils. So let's just say we want to shoot for like 1.1 liters. Now we have our limit at 1.3, so we won't exceed 1.3, but we should get very close to 1.1 on our tidal volume. So look at our waveforms, what they were, and look at how they've changed. Also, our peak pressure was about 30, and you see that we've had about an increase of 6 centimeters of water pressure. So essentially what the ventilator does is it measures the inspiratory flow initially in that first breath, and then when the pressure control breath is delivered, if it hasn't reached that volume that we have specified, the machine will transition to a continuous flow until the volume has been delivered. Now, it won't trigger into exhalation until it reaches that volume. But remember, we have a set I time, so that flow is adjusted based on our I time setting to get us to the machine volume limit that we have put in. So, anytime we transition into using machine volume, whatever we set it at, the inspiratory time stays the same, the peak pressure will increase to accommodate that machine volume, and the flow will change to allow for that volume we have set.